This is Frontline Capital with your daily briefing at the intersection of geopolitics, defense technology, and the markets. Each day, we cut through the noise to bring you the key global events and the companies shaping the future of defense, AI, and drone warfare, and what it all means for investors. Today is October 11th, 2025. Denmark's recent commitment of $4.5 billion to enhance its defense capabilities is a significant development in the global defense landscape. This investment includes the acquisition of additional F-35 jets and collaborative combat aircraft-type drones, underscoring a strategic focus on advanced military aircraft and unmanned systems. This move is expected to bolster Denmark's Arctic defense initiatives and reflects a broader trend of increased military spending among NATO allies. NATO's annual nuclear deterrence exercise, Steadfast is set to feature a record number of aircraft, including the U.S. deploying F-35s for the first time. This exercise highlights NATO's commitment to maintaining a credible nuclear deterrence capability, with Sweden participating by sending Gripens, marking a historic first. The exercise is a clear signal of increased military readiness and collaboration among NATO members, which has positively impacted defense stocks. North Korea's unveiling of the Hwasong-20, a new long-range missile capable of reaching the entire U.S., represents a significant escalation in its strategic military capabilities. This development underscores the ongoing tensions in the region and the potential implications for global security dynamics. The missile's introduction during a military parade serves as a stark reminder of North Korea's advancing military technology and its impact on geopolitical stability. The U.S. Army is considering the establishment of dedicated data formations to manage data exchange across joint services and coalition partners. This initiative reflects the growing importance of data management in modern military operations, as the Army seeks to enhance its operational capabilities through improved data integration and management. This shift towards data-centric operations is expected to drive demand for advanced data solutions and technologies within the defense sector. In a strategic shift towards unmanned aviation, the U.S. Army is cutting a fifth of its aviation branch to focus on developing unmanned systems. This move highlights the Army's commitment to embracing new technologies and adapting to the evolving nature of warfare. The emphasis on unmanned systems is expected to drive innovation and investment in this area, with significant implications for defense contractors and technology providers. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 1.01% to $177.21. Driven by the U.S. Army's shift towards data formations. This strategic focus on data management is expected to increase demand for Palantir's data analytics solutions, positioning the company for growth as military operations become increasingly data-driven. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a significant increase of 4.47% to $409.83, benefiting from Denmark's drone acquisition plans. The growing demand for unmanned systems, as highlighted by Denmark's investment, underscores the potential for AeroVironment to capitalize on the expanding market for military drones and related technologies. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, rose by 1.82% to $123.91, supported by the U.S. Army's plans to upgrade its sensor technologies. The focus on enhancing sensor capabilities for Eastern Flank deterrence is expected to drive demand for Amphenol's advanced sensor solutions, positioning the company well within the defense sector. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its stock increase by 1.74% to $96.28, reflecting the U.S. Army's shift towards unmanned systems. As the Army reduces its aviation branch in favor of unmanned technologies, Kratos is poised to benefit from the growing emphasis on developing and deploying unmanned aerial systems. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, experienced a modest rise of 0.44% to $334.39, following its collaboration with Anduril Industries on integrating Spark radar onto armored vehicles. This partnership highlights the importance of advanced radar technologies in enhancing battlefield protection against emerging threats, positioning General Dynamics as a key player in the defense technology space. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, increased by 1.74% to $287.90, buoyed by the U.S. Coast Guard's contract for Arctic security cutters. This contract win enhances Huntington Ingalls' position in the shipbuilding sector, particularly in the construction of vessels designed for extreme polar environments. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Denmark's defense investment boosts demand for F-35s and drones. 2. NATO exercises highlight increased military readiness, benefiting defense stocks. 3. U.S. Army's focus on data and unmanned systems drives tech innovation. That's your daily update from Frontline Capital. For the full text of today's report, including source links and extra details, check the show notes. If you find this useful, follow and share the show with a colleague. See you tomorrow.